Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling voice control because it unlocks hands-free commands quickly. Power the Gopro, swipe down into Preferences, and toggle voice control on. This registers the mic and wake words. Once done, set your language and choose the preferred command set so the camera recognizes your accent. Make sure the battery is above half and the lens is unobstructed to improve recognition accuracy. Now test a simple command like GoPro start recording so you know it heard you. You should speak close to the camera and use short, precise phrases because the GoPro listens for set keywords. This reduces errors. Once you've enabled voice control, try mode changes like GoPro switch to photo, then GoPro take photo to capture hands-free. If you need a timed shot, say GoPro start timer 3 seconds. Also, make sure ambient wind or loud music isn't drowning the mic. Position your body to shield the mic when filming outdoors. You finish by verifying the command worked. Check the gallery to confirm files saved, and review clip length so there's no surprise. If commands stop responding, reboot the camera, and then turn voice control off and back on to reset the module. Make sure firmware is current because updates fix recognition issues. Go to Preferences and check for updates. One troubleshooting tip: if voice still fails, reduce background noise or use a windscreen. That often restores reliable recognition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.